Between green hills and sparkling rivers, the little village welcomed every sunrise with birdsong and fresh air. Farmers smiled as they worked in golden fields, while children laughed and played beneath ancient banyan trees. Colorful flowers bloomed along narrow paths, and the aroma of homemade food filled the evening breeze. Neighbors shared kindness, stories, and celebrations, making everyone feel like family. As the sun set, the sky glowed with shades of orange and pink, reflecting the peaceful spirit of the village. Though simple, this magical place was rich in love, happiness, tradition, and unforgettable memories that lasted forever.